just pick up where we left off. This is Sean Gaithright?
Yes, sir.
That's Sean Gaithright on the day of or the day after the murder of Charles Jones?
I'm not sure when that photo is from, but that is Sean Gaithright at or around the time of the homicide.
Okay, at or around the time of the homicide. This photograph here, this is Sean Gaithright as well?
Yes, sir.
This is not at the time of the homicide, correct?
No, it appears to be a booking photo.
All right. Well, whether it's a booking photo is kind of irrelevant. What I'm asking is this at the time of the arrest? I mean, I'm at the time of the incident, the murder?
No.
All right. You see the difference between the two, right, with Mr. Gaithright?
Yes.
That his hair is much longer in the picture where it's closest to the incident?
His hair is longer in the incident, the photo that's closest to the incident. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is Detective Ramos's investigation, correct?
He is the lead investigator. Yes, sir.
All right. You were just assisting Detective Ramos.
That's correct.
And your involvement in the case really was, well, the bulk of it was really on the day of your first day of investigation, right?
Yeah, the bulk of it was the scene investigation itself. Yes, sir.
All right. So that's, the markers that you discussed earlier, right?
Yes, sir.
The shell casings that you found at the scene.
Yes, sir.
And the projectile fragments, those sorts of things, right?
That's correct.
All right. The evidence that was collected at the scene, did you collect it yourself?
No, the evidence is typically collected by the crime scene techs at our direction as a scene detective.
So you directed the crime scene techs to collect the evidence that was at the scene, right?
That's correct.
All right. And is it your job or responsibility, or is it Detective Ramos's responsibility to have that evidence processed later on some point down the line?
Ultimately, it's Detective Ramos's, but obviously we all consult with each other on the items of evidence that are collected, what evidence to send off.
All right. Did you at any point have any of that evidence processed or analyzed?
By analyzed, what do you mean like by a laboratory?
Yes. Did you request it to go to the laboratory? Did you request any experts to analyze the evidence?
No.
All right. So in this investigation, that was not your role?
That's correct.
And you did not have anything to do with that?
That's correct.
All right. You spoke to Sean Gaithright's grandmother at her house, right?
Yes, sir.
And she was there when Sean Gaithright was there in the video that we saw earlier, when Sean Gaithright is exchanging items from the Impala into the garage area.
That's correct.
She was there. Was she standing outside with him, with Mr. Gaithright?
I believe she was in the garage. You can see him talking to her, and then at the very end of the video, before he leaves in the forerunner, she is outside in the driveway, and he gives her a hug.
Okay, so she's there with him while he's exchanging the items back and forth between the Impala and the other vehicle?
That's correct.
All right. And did Sean Gaithright's grandmother see any rifles?
What she specifically said was that he removed camera equipment from bags that were contained inside the vehicle.
Right. So she did not see any rifles?
She did not.
All right. And she couldn't tell if there were any rifles or firearms or ammunition inside of those bags, correct?
That's correct.
You yourself, looking at the video, you can't tell whether there's any rifles, firearms, or ammunition inside of the bags, correct?
That's correct.
The bags are not see-through?
That's correct.
All right. So Sean Gaithright told his grandmother that the bags contained camera equipment?
Your Honor, hearsay.
Sustained as to hearsay.
He just testified to that.
I know, but it was hearsay when he testified to it, but no one objected. Now they're objecting and it's hearsay.
It's in evidence.
No, it's not. It's not. It's the witness statement of the grandmother's hearsay. It's hearsay.
Did Sean Gaithright tell his grandmother the truth?
Objection, hearsay.
I'm going to sustain the objection. It's hearsay.
The statement
There's a
is
hearsay
not
exception.
offered for the truth of the matter asserted.
Okay, approach the bench. All right, go ahead.
Mr. Gaithright lied to his grandmother when he told her that he was removing camera equipment from the vehicle, the Impala, to the other vehicle.
Your Honor, I object. It's double hearsay. This is what the grandmother's telling the detective that Gaithright told her. So I'm objecting for the record.
All right, sustain the objection,
We just had this conversation in sidebar. I don't understand what the difference is.
but it actually is double hearsay.
It's
It is double hearsay.
It's a non-hearsay statement, Judge.
Okay, all right, sustain the objection.
Your investigation in this case ended when you finished your report, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. That was over a year ago,
Yes, sir.
September 30th of 2024.
On or about, yes, sir.
All right. Since then, you haven't done any investigation in the case,
No, sir.
and in this in this case, you don't. Did you do any investigation as to whether Alicia Andrews was involved in the murder?
No.
All right. So you don't know whether she intended to kill Charles Jones.
No, sir.
All right. You don't know whether Alicia Andrews conspired with Sean Gaithright to do anything.
No.
You don't know whether Alicia Andrews even knew Sean Gaithright.
No.
You don't know whether Alicia Andrews knew Davion Murphy, right?
No.
You don't know whether Alicia Andrews knew Rashad Murphy.
No.
All right, no further questions.
Okay, redirect.
Detective, would it be fair to say that your understanding of the entire case is nowhere near the understanding that the lead detective has?
Sustain the objection.
Do you have the same knowledge of this case as the lead detective?
No.
Do you have the holistic image of the case that he has?
Yes.
Do you understand the case as well as Detective Ramos?
No.
Did you conduct investigations in Georgia or Jacksonville other than the time that you went to Jacksonville that you've testified about?
No.
All right. And other than what you've testified to, did you conduct any other investigation?
No, sir.
Okay. I have nothing else, Your Honor.
Okay, may this witness be excused?
Your Honor, we would ask that he stand under subpoena. You can
Okay.
leave the courthouse office.
Yeah, you're excused for today, subject to being recalled.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, do you have any other quick witnesses outside you need to call? Okay.
Your Honor, the state would call Safe and Washarami.